Yes. Hello everyone. Now today we are going to start one important chapter, that is probability. First of all, we have to understand the term probability with the other terms here. The term is experiment. What is the meaning of experiment? Any process that yields an observation is called an experiment. Okay, whatever you are doing, any process, at last whatever you are getting, it means what you observe the things, that is called experiment. It means if you are tossing a coin, if you are getting head or tail, this is called experiment. Come on, outcome. A particular result of an experiment is called an outcome. The similar thing, tossing a coin is experiment and getting head and tail, that is called its outcome. Come on. Sample space. The set of all possible outcomes of an experiment is called sample space. Again the same example. I am tossing one coin. If I am getting head and tail, then sample space. If we toss one coin, then sample space is head and tail. If you are tossing two coins, then what will be sample space? Just you see, head head, head tail, tail head and tail tail. Okay. After that, very important term, that is probability. Probability is what? Number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. This is called your probability. Yes. Probability of sure event is always 1 and impossible event is 0. Come on the next. Probability of any event never be negative. Keep in the mind, probability of any event never be negative. Yes. Some information related to playing cards. We have playing cards. We know about the playing cards. Total 52 cards are there in a one deck of cards. Okay. Here 52 cards divided into 4 suits. Okay. Spade, club, hearts and diamonds. 52 divided by 4, it is 13. And which type of heart? That is spade is just like this. Okay. Club is this. Heart is this. And diamond is this. Okay. Then next point. Next point is cards of heart and diamond. They are called red cards. See here. Diamond and heart. Both are of red card. And how many red cards are there? 13 plus 13, it is equal to 26. Okay. Then cards of spades and club. Spades and club. Spade, that is spade, and here is club. Okay. Spade and club, it is 13 plus 13 is equal to 26. Then king, queen and jack are called face cards. King, queen and jack are called face cards. Like king is this. Okay. Then queen and jack. See. Queen and jack. They are called face cards. Okay. King, queen and jack. They are called face cards because face is there on the card. That is why they are called face cards. Okay. So total cards, there are 12 face cards in the deck. Okay. Then after what? Number of non-face cards. Total cards are 52. Minus 12, you will get non-face cards are 40. One more thing. Okay, sum of any event happening The sum of any event not happening is always 1. Okay, let us do one question. PE is equal to given to you 0.05. Then you have to find PE bar. Okay, how can we get PE bar? We know that if you send PE this side, then what will come? 1 minus P. This is 1 minus 0.05. This is 0.95 and this is your answer.